Let me know if y'all tired of seeing my kitchens. The second video, you could see them.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. It is the Bee of Just Figure walking you through another eyeshadow look. Jumping right on into it, we're prepping our eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, slapping it on there with any random brush and using a beauty blender to blend it out. I find that this is the best method when working with a cream eyeshadow base. Using the brush, just get it on your eyes. Doesn't matter how crazy it looks because you can always blend with a beauty blender. Once you get it to your liking, we're going to jump into our Pure Festival palette, picking up the shade Wild Child on a Sigma eye shading brush. As always, we'll link the brushes and everything we use down below, and just packing it on there in the shape of, following the shape of our eye, right below the crease, because we will be buffing it out. Just want to make sure we get it on there. And like I said, we're going to take our blending brush, our all-time favorite BH Cosmetics blending brush, blending it all out, doing the same on the other eye. Should I not be doing that, you just let me know. And we're going to repeat the same steps over again just to get that opaque pink color that we want. We want it to be shocking, we want it to be bright and vibrant, and just putting an extra layer on always does the trick. Just always make sure you blend so it doesn't look caked on and messy. Next, we're using our Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette, taking the shade Supreme, using the same brush we used for the hot pink, just flipping it over and covering the first 2/3 of our eye with that color just to add a little bit more depth, a little bit more of a gradient on the eye, but still keeping it matte. Nothing too fancy. Not much technique going in here, but blending. Gonna blend out that color, blending the two colors together just to get a seamless, nice pink color. And then going back in with Wild Child on the last third of the eye to bring everything together. And to re-add the color that we took away kind of by putting on Supreme and blending it. Just want to make sure everything is nice and put together. Next, we're going to wipe away any of the fallout that has fallen from putting on the pink on the upper lid using any powder brush that you so choose. Next, we're going to move into our lower lash line, taking a Sigma pencil brush E60, dragging that all across our lower lash line using the same shade of Wild Child from the Pure palette. Clearly, Egypt hates this part and it looks like she's in a freaking seance with her eyes rolling to the back of her head. Next, we're going to take Supreme again on a Real Technique eyeshadow brush. It's a blending brush, just blending out the lower lash line and bringing that up into the crease again too, just to make everything nice and seamless. And then we're going to add some more depth to the eye by putting a black eyeliner in the waterline. This is Huda Beauty Black Truffle from her I think it's the Volume 1 palette. And then taking a clean blending brush and just blending everything together, making sure there are no harsh lines. Next, we're going to highlight our inner corners and brow bone using the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette in the shade Diamond Powder. And this is the Citrus palette. There's another one, but this one is a little bit more summery and it has a little bit more pops of color in it. And then we're going to blend it all out again with that Real Techniques blending brush that we used on the under eye area. And that really completes this look. As always, pop some Slay by Ella lashes on. Look into the camera. Look all around. Always look into the abyss. And that's it. Oh, wait for it. Wait for it. Still waiting for it. All good things come to those who wait. Jesus, Egypt, you're so slow. Get to the best part. And here we go. Sunglasses. Pop some sunglasses on. Throw some hoops on because you know the bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoop. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know what you want to see down below in the comments. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. Yes. We did it. Second voiceover.